Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Navneet and thanks for joining my channel Cloud and Copy with Navneet. In this video, we are going to learn how you're able to go and able to use Redshift MCP server to query a Redshift cluster using the natural language. So let's get it started. So here is this, okay. So this is how the architecture look like for you. So you're going to have your Redshift cluster, which is in your AWS account. Then you're going to have your MCP server, which require AWS CLI your profile to access this Redshift cluster, and then you will be having your MCP client, whether it's a QCLI, Cairo, or any other clients which can able to go and make a call to this MCP server, which eventually making a call to the Redshift cluster using that AWS CLI, and then you will be having your user, right? So your user making a call. So it's very easy. So for you to go get get use MCP server, you don't need to go and build anything. It is already available, which is being provided by AWS. So if you see here, there's a list of MCP servers which is available. You can able to go into the GitHub under the AWS Labs. You can able to find and I can share that link in my description as well. But it has a lot of MCP server, whether it's a MySQL, it's a Health Lake, EKS, ECS, Nova, etc. So there are CloudTrail, CloudWatch. There's a lot of MCP server is available. So you can go and get started. So for that, and these are the prerequisites. So of course, you need AWS CLI and everything as such. Apart from that, you need Python 3.10, and then you will be using the UV, so it allows you to go and install any Python packages in super fast manner. So good, let's go and get started. Here I will be using this MCP server. I will just simply copying it here. I will be going into the Amazon queue, and then that's where I will be adding this mcp.json file. Let me go there, and here I'm in let's see if I already have this mcp.json file. Let me show you what all things are there. And so if you see here, I have already added this, the one which I got it. But again, if you're starting new, so you just simply copy paste everything there and replace the profile name. It using it, or else it will use by default. But you should be using whatever the profile name you have here. Other thing which you need to ensure is in my case, I have a multiple MCP server. So if you have a multiple MCP server, just don't paste same thing directly. You just have to paste like, okay, what MCP server you're looking to use, and just you have to replace that bedrock, and then you have to replace which region you're looking to have your which region your profile is looking to work upon. With that, now it's very easy. I can go and simply initiate the QCLI by typing the Q, and it will be initiating the QCLI. If you see here, it's installing that 3 MCP server. It install the diagram and documentation and a Redshift. So in my last video, I shown you how you can able to go and build that architecture diagram with an AWS. That is by using this diagram, and then you will be using this documentation. In this one, we will be just connecting to the Redshift. So this is super easy. Now once here, let me start asking question. Show me all the Redshift servers. Account. So hopefully it's able to go and list all the MCP server, all the Redshift servers for me. Okay, nice. So let's see. So if you see here, T is used to trust. So we are looking to trust here. So it will be going and listing cluster. And if you see here, it uses tool list cluster within this Redshift MCP server. Okay, cool. So we got list of all the Redshift server here. Will be see here I'm having this DC2. This is paused. This is available, and rest of them are serverless, right? So for the serverless, let me go, and I think I have this one here. List all the schemas, databases, and tables from this one. Okay, good. So if you see here, it is using the list databases, and and then cluster identifier, the one which I have provided. Okay, good. I have to, so it's found the schema, so now it has a dev. Now it has to go and list all the tables. So it has a schema within the dev database. It has a public schema, and I have to trust it. Cool. So it has given me bank detail back. So these are the models. This is the customer, line items, nations, order, part. Show me top 10 records from maybe the customers. So this way I know what kind of a data I have in here. So if you see here, it kind of, going the top 10, limit 10 is easy, right? So this is the query it's executing. So it is as simple as that, like, how you can able to go and get started with this one. So you got your answer here. Let me see how it's look like. We have a phone number, account, balance, right? So we are having the phone number. We are okay. Give me the top 5 and bottom 5 customers by account balance. See, means if you see here, we have this account balance, which is not a natural language. So let's see if it's able to understand what I mean here and able to give us a good query. Okay, blah blah blah, order by fine, order by this one. Okay, limit 5, union all, top 5 as a category, from the customer, order by this, and then union all, top. Okay, cool. So we got we got this top 5 and bottom 5 as a customer, and what else? Yeah, so hopefully you got an idea how you can able to go and get started with an MCP server, and you can start asking the question in the natural language and you can get a response. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm a new YouTuber and I really appreciate your feedback. Thank you.